Here's a quick introduction to Blender. It's a free 3D modeling tool. We're going to make a one side of a dice. So we need to go to Edit mode, hit our space bar, Edit, Edges, Bevel, and we'll go ahead and set our bevel. Space bar again, Edit, Edges, Loop Subdivide. We're going to set up our layout for our boxes for our divots. So space bar again, edges, loop subdivide, 9, enter. We'll have to go to the side view and space bar, edit, edges, loop subdivide, and hit 9 and hit enter. Now we're going to want to get rid of some of these so we have our layout. So get rid of the 2nd, the 5th, and the 9th one. Hold down the Alt key, right click, delete, edge loop, and do that horizontally and vertically. Okay, I'll go ahead and go back to top here and finish off these, and that will give us the layout on all sides. We'll have 6 boxes on all sides that we can use for our divots. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get a better view here for the next step. So right click, hold down the middle mouse button, and pull. We're going to make this solid so we don't accidentally select any back faces. We're going to hit that to select faces. Right click, we're going to make the 5 side of the dice, so we're going to do this 5 times. And once you've selected, hit E for extrude, escape, Alt, M, and then merge at the center. And just do that 4 more times. And after you've done that, we'll switch to vertice mode. And after vertice mode, hold down the shift key for multiple select and right click the center vertices of each of these boxes that we just made. And after you've done that, hit G for grab and Z to constrain along the Z axis. And then we're going to want to type in -0.17, and that'll give us the rough outline for our divots. We'll go ahead and move this back so we can see it better. Kind of blocky, so we're going to need to add a modifier. So we're going to add a subsurf modifier, and then we'll give that 3 levels. And then we want the cage to fit our shape, so we hit that button. Go ahead and get a better view here. Now we're going to want to go to edges and shift button, and you want to select all of these outside edges. So right now we've got these little indentations. Looks like just doesn't look like a dice, so we're going to want to make these a little crisper. So we'll select them all, and after we've done that, we hit Shift E, and just pull, and there we go. Enter. Now we'll make a material. I'll make this dice red. As you can see, now we need to make a new material, and we'll make this new material white. And now we'll go to face select. Hit B for bounding box, but hit it twice. And we can select each of these divots. And then after we do that, all we have to do is hit assign. And we have our divots, our white divots. So now we're going to go ahead and go to camera view, and we're going to want to go back to object mode, select the outside. This is actually selecting the camera. We'll hit G for grab and hold down the shift key, hold down the middle mouse button, and push forward. and that allows us to move. Okay, and then hit grab again. This time don't hit the shift key. And that allows us to center it. So hit F12 for a render. See what we have. Okay, it's not too bad, but as you can see, we can still see some of the faces, the polygons. So to remedy that, we need to bring the render level up to around 4. Hit F12 to render again. And this render will take a little longer, but as you'll be able to see when it's done, you can't see any of the polygons anymore. I'll go ahead and finish this and make a Bryce picture, and if you like it, maybe you'll try it out.